Hello everyone, welcome to Chemspires. Now let's look into problem number 7.4 from 11th Standard Chemistry NCERT textbook volume 1. The question is, the value of Kc is equal to 4.24 at 800 Kelvin for the reaction CO gas plus H2O gas, which is in equilibrium with CO2 gas plus H2 gas. Calculate the equilibrium concentrations of carbon dioxide, hydrogen, carbon monoxide and water at 800 Kelvin if only carbon monoxide and water are present initially at concentrations of 0.1 molar each. Let us solve it. First, let us write the reaction. The reaction is carbon monoxide plus water, which is in equilibrium with carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So initial concentration of carbon monoxide and water is given as 0.1 molar. So we are writing 0.1 molar and 0.1 molar below carbon monoxide and water. But initially carbon dioxide and H2 are not formed because they are products. Initially they are not formed. So we are writing 0 as a concentration. So here let x mole per liter of each of the product be formed. We are assuming that x moles have been produced. So from the 0.1 molar, that is initial concentration, we are subtracting x in both CO and H2O, and since CO2 and H2O are formed, so we are writing x molar as the formed concentration. So at equilibrium we will be having 0.1 minus x molar CO, 0.1 minus x molar H2O, x molar CO2 and x molar H2O gas, where x is the amount of CO2 and H2 at equilibrium. Then we can write the equilibrium constant for this. So we know that equilibrium constant can be written as the product of the product concentration power stoichiometric coefficient divided by product of the reactant concentration power the stoichiometric coefficient. So here the product concentration is, so here product is CO2 and H2, so both the things concentration are x, so x into x is x square divided by the concentration of reactant, that is 0.1 minus x. So there are two reactants here, so we will write 0.1 minus x into 0.1 minus x, that is 0.1 minus x the whole square. So this is equal to 4.24, which is given in the question. So from here we can take the x square to the next side, so that we will write x square is equal to 4.24 into 0.01 plus x square minus 0.2x. So we are solving it actually. So on solving it we will get an quadratic equation, which is 3.24x square minus 0.848x plus 0.0424 is equal to 0. So we know how to solve the quadratic equation. To find out the value of x, we can use the formula, that is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a is the coefficient of x square, that is 3.24. b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 0.848, and c is the constant term, which is 0.0424. So after writing this, we will substitute the value of a, b and c in this. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will get x is equal to 0.848 plus minus root of 0.848 the whole square minus 4 into 3.24 into 0.0424 the whole divided by 2 into 3.24. On solving it, we will get two values of x, that is 0.067 as one value and 0.194 as another value. We will neglect the 0.194 because it is more than the initial concentration, which is not possible. So we will take the 0.067 as the answer. So here x is the concentration of CO2 and H2 as we have already seen. So it will be 0.07 molar. So concentration of CO and H2O will be 0.1 minus x, which is 0.1 minus 0.067, which is equal to 0.033 molar.